Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay AP Inter Betterment fees. We will go through the entire process, helping you understand each step clearly. This guide aims to simplify the fee payment for your Betterment exams, ensuring you can focus on improving your academic scores. We will cover the fee breakdown, the online payment method, and crucial dates to remember. Let's get started on securing your chance for better results. Understanding the fee structure is key. For Betterment exams, there's a base fee of 600 rupees. On top of that, you'll pay an additional 160 rupees for each subject you wish to improve. If you're taking practical exams, there's a separate charge of 275 rupees. For those reappearing only for theory papers, the fee is 1,200 rupees. These fees ensure your application is processed correctly. Paying your Betterment fees online is a simple process. First, navigate to the official website of the Board of Intermediate Education. Look for the section dedicated to Betterment exam fee or improvement exam fee. You will then need to enter your hall ticket number and other necessary details accurately. Proceed to complete the payment using your preferred online method, such as net banking or a debit card. Always remember to save or print your payment receipt. Staying informed about important dates is crucial. The fee payment window for Betterment exams typically opens around mid-April and usually closes by late April or early May. The actual Betterment examinations are generally held in mid-May. It is always advisable to check the official Board of Intermediate Education website for the most current and precise dates. Timely payment and application. Ensure you don't miss this valuable opportunity to enhance your scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.